Okay, this is Dave from Styrene Replicas with, I think it's update number 2 on the Jeff's Model Garage Tribute build. 67 Camaro, being built box stock. Been making good progress. Have the frame chassis done at this point. Actually have the wheels. I'll just sit them on there for a second. They're ready to go. Stock wheels, nothing special about these. Again, the kit is being built box stock as a stock 67 Camaro Z28 that would have just come off the assembly line. Motor is effectively done at this point. Ready to go, ready to be mounted into the frame. Don't want to do that until I'm a little bit further along, and it looks like I'm going to have to modify the exhaust pipes here a little bit. They both seem to be just a little bit long to hit the headers on the right on the engine, so I'll take care of that. Other pieces here. There's the radiator, both front and the inside. Need to do a little bit of touch up on that. It's a Tamiya flat black, thinned about 50%, maybe 40% with Tamiya X20A thinner, and it's very fragile, I've found. I don't know if you can see the little scratch right there on the corner, and there's another scratch over here. Very, very fragile. I'm kind of surprised. Everything was primed first with Napa Colorline gray primer. The entire kit was primed with that, with the exception of the body. The body has been primed with white Duplicolor primer, and I really like this. I really like Duplicolor in general. The Napa is fine, but I find that the Duplicolor primers are superior to, at least for model building, and it does not bother the plastic at all. Now maybe it's because I put on a light coat to start, a very mist coat. In fact, it's funny, when you start, you basically don't see any color the first coat, and then suddenly the color seems to kick in. I've shown this before. This is the finish paint. It's from scalefinishes.com. This is the 67 Chevrolet Butternut Yellow. There are 3 coats on the body right now, and I have not used, you won't be able to see it here, but I haven't even used down to the top of the label in this 2-ounce jar. I was afraid at first that I would wind up using too much, and in fact it's quite the opposite. As I say, I'm 3 coats into it now. Here's the body. It was primed with the white as opposed to the gray, and it's coming out, I think it's coming out very, very well. It's going down very smooth. After I had done the white primer, I did wet sand the entire body with 4000 grit sponge, and just a light sanding, and now, like I say, there are three coats on here, and in fact the rest of this video I will show putting on that 3rd coat at the spray booth. Obviously the sound I'll mute the sound because you hear the spray booth, which is a fairly large affair. Coming right along, I suspect. Haven't touched the interior at all yet. Here's the interior tub. Haven't even primed it. Nothing has been done at all. But that's okay. That's the least of the project will be in the interior, and I'm pleased. I think Jeff should like it as well. Hopefully he'll like it, and we'll should be able to wrap it up within the week here. Depends. Some of the little fiddly painting is what takes all of the time. So until, well, not until, I'm going to finish this with the spray booth portion and then wrap this video up. All right, so that wraps up update number 2 for the Jeff Model Garage Tribute Build 67 Camaro. It's a Z28. I will keep on plugging here and hopefully get this thing wrapped up within about a week. So until then, this is Dave at Styrene Replicas. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Take care.